In this video, I'm going to make some coding changes to some things that I don't think are very good in the program right now. So like I was saying in the last video, during this first move, we're invoking second move right here, and we're passing it something that's already available in the global scope. And I don't think this is a good idea because we're putting more data and more complications into our program than it already needs. So I'm going to be taking these out, and you'll see that here what I'm passing is localhost.animateCount. So remember here, when we're selecting the disk, we have to select localhost.animateCount -1, okay, because here is 1, but in the disk order we need the 0 index here, so this is always -1. And what we were passing before was animate count. Okay, so basically all I have to do is just remember this. I'm going to copy it, and actually I'm going to copy all of this, and then we're going to delete it. Okay, and then we're going to go over to second move, and second move, it doesn't take this anymore. Move number. So move number, remember it was this .animate count. So now I'm just going to remove all of that, and then move number here is going to get set to localhost.animateCount. And if we go down here, we'll see that here is this move number, our old one. So we'll refactor this and change that to localhost.animateCount. And here, third move, again, we're passing the move number. The third move doesn't need this because it's available in the global scope. And then we go over to third move here, and move number, we're going to remove this. And wherever it says, it doesn't say move number anywhere in here, so we really didn't need that there. Now that I've made those changes, we can just open up Firefox and we can just test that everything's working fine. And yeah, we can see that there's no problems here. So let's go back to the code, and the next thing that I want to do is actually I found a problem inside the get distance down here. So first of all, this is going to return an integer right here, and this is going to return an integer. So why do we need 0 at the front? We don't. So I'm just going to remove this, and then I'm going to remove the final parentheses right there, and this is going to just work just fine. The last thing that I didn't like was I really didn't like these names I gave to functions like third move and second move and first move, because this isn't the second move, this is the second part of the animation. So this is, first move is going up, second move is going across, and third move is going down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename those. So first I'm going to go to my calculate all moves function, and we can change this set timeout right here, first move, and I'm going to change this to send disk up. And inside set timeout, we don't need to put on the parentheses at the end. This will be invoked, so I'm going to change this to send disk up. And then we just go to first move and we change this to send disk up. And then second move down here, I'm going to change this to send disk across. And the reason I'm calling it across is because sometimes it will go left, sometimes it will go right. So that seems pretty good. And then second move gets changed to send disk across. And then third move is of course going to be send disk down. So I think these are a lot clearer variable names for our functions. So we can see we're calling send disk down and then passing distance down. That makes a lot of sense to me. And then I just rename this right here, send disk down, and then inside our if statement we change this to, again, to send disk up. So the last thing we can do here is save and just go to the browser and test that it's working, and it looks like everything's working fine.